Hello everybody, this is Rita Offen speaking. I'm here with Tom Williams. It's Thursday the 12th of September and it is just gone 20 past 12 UK time, and this is Tom's stock picks for this week. We've been right through the NASDAQ 100 index, all the stocks that make it up. First of all, Tom, and we've found three stocks that are of interest that we have looked at and identified as acting as strong or stronger than the parent index. So first of all, Tom's going to have a look at and discuss the parent index of NASDAQ 100.
Thank you, Rita. Hi everybody, Tom Williams here. Right, okay, now what we have up here now is the NASDAQ 100. And we can clearly see that yesterday was a test. It's a clear red down bar, right, down, close on the high, volume is not too excessive. That means that index wants to know whether it can go up or not. Now normally you would expect a move up after a test like that. However, if it doesn't move now after that, means that the market is extremely weak. Okay, now we've made a stock selection that you should be put on your watch list. And the first one
is called
Life
Technology.
Life Technology. Now, why have we selected this one? Well, first of all, if you look at the base there, there's obviously some buying there. There's your stopping volume come in, massive volume. Then it was tested along here. Right, there's no supply left, that's why it went up. Notice that there is a test come shakeout halfway up, and I can't see any other weak bars there. So, and it's acting as strong as the index, so this is why it should be on your watch list. Okay.
Next one.
What's it called?
NetApp.
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 Apt. Right, now this is also, we notice at the bottom there's looks like there's been some sort of shakeout there. There was a test or down bar, volume was low, and on that it's gone up. It's acting as strong as the index, and this is why this is a strong type of stock that you should be interested in. You must trade in harmony with the index. It's no good expecting your stock to go up if the general index is falling or weak. Next one.
Okay. What should they be looking out for now, Tom?
Well, if they go long?
Yes.
If you go long, then obviously you're looking for the first signs of weakness, which, as we know, is high volume and up bars, especially if they're on narrow spreads. Perhaps no demand, obviously no demand, and you'll see the weakness definitely when it appears.
And that's when to get out, of course. That's when to get out. But at what point would they want to get in? What would they want to be looking for?
Well, you have to get in on these stocks as soon as you see the principal, which is this one is fairly obvious at places.
But if they saw a test in a rising market?
If you see a test in a rising market. Next.
Okay. Vodafone is the
Vodafone.
Is our last one.
The last one.
There it is.
Now, there's been a test at the bottom here, look. A gap up on the back of that test, so they knew something. There was a test there with that red down bar. And it's been going up. There's a bit of no demand, admittedly, at the top, but it's acting as strong as the index. So this is a good stock for your watch list. So we say thank you very much, and you'll find if you have any doubt at all about the principle behind our stock selection, let us know and we'll mention it or talk about it on the newsletter.
Okay, that's it for this week, and we'll see you again next week. Have a good week.